Tuesday. We have 2 more days here. It's a beautiful Tuesday. Any day you can ride, it's a beautiful
In 300
day.
yards, turn right.
Today we're going to Cole, Harley Davidson, and some spring to check out. No, some falls. Well, welcome back. Here we're making another video. Pretty soon we're going to be out of these videos for West Virginia. I think we have 1 more day of ride, and then I got a video just kind of showing the campground and stuff like that. But anyway, today what we did, here's a little look of our map. We went from our campground to Cole's Harley Davidson, and that was a pretty neat place. It's a big place. From there we took this neat little curvy road, long curvy road, on up to the Narrows, ate at Anna's restaurant. From there we went to Cascade Falls, and then we had this neat route to go home, but we were pressing for time, so we had to take another route. Still wonder what that one road would be like. We'll check that out one day. But we didn't do the falls because they had some issue, too much water or something, that washed out one of the walkways. It was going to be a long day. We didn't have the time. But here's our video. Hope you enjoy. Finding another nice back road. Now I gotta say, when editing this video, I thought all of a sudden I had the wrong clip. I thought this was the post office at Texarkana.
Harley show.
Where at?
In Bluefield.
Cole.
Harley Davidson.
Cole. Harley Davidson.
Not Cole as C-O-A-L, but Cole C-O-L-E.
How about Cole C-O-L-D?
No.
Not yet.
Not yet? Anything to say, Karen?
Nice day today. Look at the sunshine.
This place looks pretty big. I mean, look at all what they got over here. Well, one, that's about the longest trailer I've ever seen.
Yeah.
And then you got that big deck right there. Man, I bet you they have a good time here. And then across the street had me messed up because I didn't know which way to go here. So now we are in explore mode again. And we got the Junior Ranger over here. Hey, you know, people are looking at us right now. We're walking around with these cameras and they figure, man, don't give them guys any alcohol. They done lost it. Look at them. And I always like putting the website out. Here's the website right here. Now, like I said, Cole Harley Davidson, that's pretty big. And I'm not sure if they had a popcorn buffet or not. I mean, I didn't smell it. I didn't see the coffee buffet, but I'm sure they had the all-you-can-drink coffee buffet too. But when we get to these stores, Harley shops, I like going ahead, walking around, get a little video of it, and kind of show you, give you an idea of what it looks like. That's where our bikes are up there. Kind of neat here. I'm sure this is the happening place. I think we're still in the town of Cole. And
I wonder if Walmart has that seat.
I don't know.
I just wait till I get home.
I would. But they say you gotta hydrate. Right, Marcia? You gotta hydrate, right?
Yes.
So Ed and Karen went in there to get some hydration. Also known as adult beverages, but today it's called hydration. Without it, it's aggravation.
Not just alike, but...
Well, this here is another neat little town. Found a neat restaurant, and I'll tell you, every time Ed goes to order at a restaurant, I always listen, because he's going to ask him every question there is. So I made it a habit to let Ed go first. I just sit there and take notes, and I know pretty well what I want to get. And usually I don't have to ask any questions. Ed's pretty thorough. And Ed, I don't know, ever since Natchez Trace, he always seems to be watching out for me. I think it's something with the Junior Ranger thing. Anyway, nice little town. We enjoyed the food, and then we pushed on. What was the name of our town here?
Narrows.
And this is, the restaurant is?
Anna's Restaurant.
Looks like you got a nice menu here. We're hungry.
Thank you. We expect you to eat then.
And Junior Ranger, what are you going to get?
I'm thinking about getting that hamburger steak with mushrooms, brown gravy, and onions.
Okay.
How many ounces is that hamburger steak?
That's what I want to know, the questionnaire part.
I'll have to go.
Is it a half pound? Because if it is, you can just write it on up.
Let me go ask.
Does it come with mag wheels? Is it 4 on the floor? And bucket seats. But seriously, always wait till Ed gets done, because he asks all the questions, man. I don't want to miss out.
Aim it up a little bit higher, Mike.
Oh, really? I didn't get me.
No, we got it.
No,
Yeah.
you got you. Turn it back around and get you again, Michael.
What's up over my
Come
head?
on.
Just
Aim
look-
it a
just
little
look
bit
at your
higher.
head.
Go a little
Your
bit.
hat.
There you go. Okay. Now point. Good. Good shot. Nice.
That's my buddy. He looks out for me.
What you want?
Yep. I'll take a tossed salad with ranch on the side. Okay, and let's see what we have here. All kinds of stuff. Well, it just seems natural to have have mashed potatoes for that, with gravy. So I have a house salad, and
Okay, what do you want on your hamburger steak? I heard onions.
yeah. Well, I want the whole thing that you have here. Okay. Mushrooms, onions, and
brown gravy.
Sure.
Sounds good.
Yeah, throw that in mashed potatoes too.
We're up there in August, and we left Florida because it's too hot here. Kind of ironic, today's January 31st, I'm making this video of it, and we're here in Florida. It's 57 degrees right now. You guys up there? Time to visit Florida. Alright, back to the video. Well, I'm about to wrap this up. Here we're at the falls. I didn't get no pictures of the falls because the pathway going up there was washed out, something like that. So we didn't really get to explore. I got a couple pictures of my bike, a little clip of video or two, so thank goodness for the internet. I got the link and I got a little bit of the internet page here. You might want to go there, and they had some neat looking pictures I was looking at earlier. Well, this pretty well wraps it up for this video. We have one more riding video with West Virginia, and then 1 or 2 little videos for our toy hauler page. Alright guys, see you on the road. Later.